Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make dotted grid lines in Excel. Okay, go to border options, line style, and now select dotted line. Then first of all is drawing the single line. Okay, and another way to selected you selected this area. Go to border options, select all borders, or change the color, line color black. Okay, all borders. Now see this, make dotted grid lines. You select all. Now see this automatically selected all grid lines dotted. Resize this line styles. Now see this menu styles. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.